Stop wireless bandwidth theft. The advancements in technology today make life a lot easier. However, the same technological advancements can result in unimaginable trouble. Take wireless internet connection as an example. Wireless routers these days allow you to connect to the internet without having to install lots of cables. But because wireless routers send off signal as far as 350 feet from the access point, bandwidth theft is possible, which means strangers can use up your bandwidth, resulting in intermittent slowing down of connection. But if the bandwidth thief uses your internet connection to commit legally punitive actions, such as downloading confidential files, hacking bank accounts, and identity theft, you will be held legally responsible. So if you suspect you are a bandwidth theft victim, you have to act fast and take action before matters get worse. Here are a few things you can do to stop wireless bandwidth theft. Install the router's encryption system. Your wireless device came with an installation CD, which, aside from setting up the internet connection system, is also used to install the encryption system. This encryption system enables you to use a password, which will protect your wireless system from unauthorized bandwidth usage. Change your password. If your router came with a default password, make sure to immediately change it. It is also helpful to change your password from time to time to further protect your system from unauthorized users. The password should be long, hard to predict, and a combination of special characters. Set up a firewall. A firewall is a software application that acts as a barrier from potential intruders. Some routers are made with built-in firewall, but if yours doesn't have this feature, purchase a firewall for your network. It will cost a few dollars but will guarantee your protection. Purchase a software kit that detects bandwidth theft. There are software kits in the market today with which you can monitor the usage of your bandwidth and therefore help you determine if there has been anyone committing bandwidth theft. Again, this will cost you some amount, but it is much better to spend some than to deal with criminal offenses you know nothing about. Turn on your Windows Automatic Update. Microsoft Windows will download for you protection updates to keep your computer from intruders. You can also set your computer to automatically install the updates for you. Although this does not directly protect you from bandwidth thieves, this gives you additional security. Keep yourself up to date. Cybercriminals are always finding new ways to take advantage of open doors and windows, which is why you need to be particularly updated on the advancements in technological crime. Regularly read computer magazines, visit legitimate and credible websites and forums, and inquire from computer technicians and experts. When you do this, you can exactly know from which to protect your system. If you are not a very techie person and have a difficult time understanding computers and networks and systems, it pays to ask help from a computer technician. He has the technological skill and knowledge to assist you in protecting your wireless connection.